Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous episode. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the last video where we talked about New Year's Eve in Times Square. Now we're going to test what you've learned. Let's begin. Is New Year's Eve in Times Square celebrated on January 1st? No, it's celebrated on the night of December 31st. Did the first ball drop in Times Square happen in the year 2000? No, it began in 1907. Is a New Year's Eve ball made of paper and plastic? No, it's made of crystal and LED lights. Do people watch the ball drop only in New York? No, it's watched by people all over the world. Is the ball drop time to reach the bottom at midnight? Yes, exactly at 12 a.m., marking the new year. Do Americans usually celebrate New Year's Eve in silence? No, they celebrate with music, fireworks, and loud countdowns. Is Times Square usually empty on New Year's Eve? No, it's packed with thousands of people. Do Americans make New Year's resolutions during this celebration? Yes, it's a common tradition to set goals for the new year. Is the Times Square celebration only for local New Yorkers? No, it's a global event watched on TV and online. Is New Year's Eve just a party with no deeper meaning? No, it also symbolizes hope, reflection, and new beginnings. Watch this feedback video again to reinforce everything you've learned. And don't forget to subscribe so you're always ready for the next incredible episode in this journey of learning English and exploring American culture. See you in the next adventure.